Nothing but love. Nothing but love. I don't need me sleep past 1 a.m. Can't even make me feel strong again. Freedom, just join the party. Just don't need nobody.
So this is what the wig looks like right out of the packet. As you can see, I've not applied any powder or anything to the wig just yet, because I wanted to show you guys what it looks like straight out of the packet. Up close, this is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some powder to it and then get straight into it, installing it. I'm gonna do a voiceover, but you guys can watch me installing the wig. I might come here and there to talk, but for the most part it's gonna be a voiceover. It's matching my nails. Look at my nails. It's matching my nails. So yeah, I'm just excited to see what's gonna look like. So let's see. I have applied the foundation to the unit, and this is what it's looking like since I applied it. As you can see, it's blending much better with my complexion now that I applied the foundation to it. All right, so I added the foundation back here as well where it was missing it, so you can see it. I did add it back there. To apply the wig, I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond XL with extra moisture control, and I've used this wig glue before and I think it gave me an allergy reaction. I'm not too sure, but we're gonna try it again today and see what happens, because it didn't happen straight away. It was like after a few months. I'm gonna start applying the glue, the first layer. Guys, I haven't done this in so long. If I'm out of my element, out of touch, then yeah, you guys you don't know why, but I'm gonna do my best because that's all I can do. I'm only gonna apply 2 layers of this much, but I want it to stay a little bit, I guess. Even though I'm not sleeping in this, I'm gonna take it off before I go to bed. I cannot sleep in wigs unless I'm on holiday. That's the only time. If I'm not on holiday, I'm not sleeping in a wig. It's already uncomfortable as it is, and I don't have time for that. You see how it got stuck already? This glue is not a joke. I'm not gonna use the hairdryer because I don't want it to dry too fast before I get a chance to, you know, do the rest of the wig. So yeah. It's getting stuck to my lashes. It's getting stuck to my nails. It's just, I don't know, everything can't catch a break. And I love that they put the baby hairs at the front, so definitely gonna be keeping those. You know what I'm gonna do? Let me get a pin. I'm gonna get a crocodile clip and pin the hair back so that it's out of my face. I wish I did not put these nails on. It was a sign, because if I tell you what happened when I was trying to do my nails, it was a sign, and I still done it, you know. That's what happens when you don't listen. You can learn. That's what happens when you don't listen. I removed it out of my face. Look how undetectable this lace is, how well this lace blends in with my skin. Can you see that? Look at that. Like, you can literally, you can barely see that. If I glue it down like I'm doing now and blend it, you're not gonna be able to tell. Look how good that matches. This lace is HD lace, virtually undetectable, and I would say so because as you can see on my complexion. This looks really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing that I done to this portion of the unit, and I'm gonna do it to the sides now. I don't know what it is, but something's giving me like a red rash on my chest. Can you see that? Is it just me? There's no way, you guys can see that. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna have to watch that and see what's going on, because I don't know what that is about. So I put the melting band on now, and I'm gonna wait a couple minutes, give it maybe about 2-3 minutes to settle in. I'll come back once I have taken it off and I cut the lace, and then I'm ready to, you know, start styling it. So guys, I am back, and this is what the wig is looking like. Oh my goodness, this wig is amazing. I don't know if you haven't watched my first review of this Bohemian wig. I done it in the, what's it called, something mocha, I don't remember, something mocha, but anyway, I done it in that one. I will leave it on the screen so you guys can go check it out, and I'll leave it in the description box so you guys can go check it out. But I reviewed that one and I really liked it, but I feel like this one has a different kind of lace on it. I don't know why, because I feel like this one just blended seamlessly compared to that one. I felt like I had to put in more work to blend that one into my skin, but this one just blended effortlessly, as you can see. I just messed up my makeup here because I put glue too far down, and then I had to go in and fix it. But apart from that, look at the lace, look at the lace. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna comb out these baby hairs that they put on the unit. I don't feel like I want to do baby hairs, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, because I don't want to cut them off either. I feel like I want to leave them as is, but I can't because they're gonna look kind of weird. So I'm going to comb these out, and then probably this part too. Gonna put a little bit, wait, so cut this side. I feel like just having the curly pieces. This whole video you guys gonna keep seeing me making these facial expressions because of this freaking nails. Anyways, I feel like having the curly pieces down. Hold on, let me cut this piece as well here. I'm gonna leave it down like this, and then I think, yeah, I need to get it the other side too, and then do the same to this side as well. Like here, take this piece out. I don't know if you guys get the vision yet, but I know what I'm envisioning that I want to do. Should make it come to life. But the nail is stuck again, the two of them. Alright, so I leave these two out. I have two hair gels I can use. I have the gummy wax, which I don't know, it's okay. I didn't find, like, when I've used it on my previous wigs before, I feel like it doesn't really stay, so I'm not really too sure if I'm gonna use that one yet. And then I have the Eco Styler, but I haven't used this one, so I don't know if it's gonna work or if it, I don't know what I want to do. But this lace, look at this lace, you guys, are you mad? All right, so I'm gonna use some of the Cantu wax stick. It's this one here.
I like my girls just like I like my honey, sweet little soul.
You guys see me looking down throughout the videos because I have my big mirror in front of me. and I have the smaller one so I can see more up close.
Green, little jealous.
Why does it smell like Scotch bonnet? Wait, let me try this now.
Oh, wreck, a colorful mess, but I'm funny. Oh, I'm a heartbreak vet with a stone cold neck. Yeah, I'm charming. Yeah. All the pretty girls in the world, but I'm in this space with you. Calling out the lines I came to find. My fire was fake with you. Heartache will stay with you. Flag.
Ooh, he gave that little bump. Alright, so you guys can see I applied the hot comb. I think I'm gonna use the gummy. I'm gonna stick to what I know, because I don't want to put the other one and then it doesn't stick the hair. I'm gonna be really upset about that. So let me put this here. And then you can cut them how I want them. Guys, this install has been a bit hectic because of these nails, and never again. Now I know I'm not doing that. I don't know how you ladies do it with the nail charms and apply wigs. I don't get it, but I can't. First time I put nails on in a while, and this is what reached me, so I'm not doing that again. Learn my lesson. Don't have to tell me twice. I'm not doing it again. So
Little jealous. Oh, 'cause I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess, but I'm funny. I'm a heartbreak vet with a stone cold love. Yeah, I'm
I'm trying to figure out what hairstyle I want to do now. This is what the unit is looking like, all finished. I really like the clean sides. Put some gel in it. And if you guys see any shedding, it's from when I cut the lace and I cut off the excess hair that I didn't need. So the hair is not shedding, that's what that is. I just love the smell of Lotta body. So I think I want to do like a nice style with it, but I don't know what to do, so I'm going to try something. So guys, this was the other hairstyle that I came out with, but I'm not really feeling it as much, so I'm gonna take it back out. This is gonna give me stress. I already know. Oh gosh, because of these nails. So I'm gonna try my best, try to keep the thingy out of it. If I have to cut the hairband, I will, you know. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I don't have time for this. Yeah, that's the best thing to do. Just cut the hairband. No problems, no. So this is what the hair is looking like. I did apply a little water to it just to try and tame it a little, because it's really puffy. And I mean, I guess it'll keep you warm in the summer, but I was trying to go for like you know, when you have the human hair and it gets that wet look, but this was not doing that. It didn't want to do that. Obviously it's a synthetic wig, so it's not gonna be like exactly like a human hair wig, but I done my best. I applied a little gel, which I did show you guys. That I applied the Eco Styler gel, and I applied a little bit of my Lotta Body Mousse. I'm just loving this unit, you guys. This hair is so soft, and I can just tell it's gonna last me a while, just like the Mocha one did, the one that I already previously reviewed. If you want to see how that one held up, then go and check it out. But I can just already tell that this is going to be a good quality synthetic wig. The only thing I need to do is ditch these nail charms, which I'm going to take them off because it's going to ruin the hair if I do not take it off. This hair is so nice. If you guys can see, let me step back so you guys can see where it's hitting me. It's hitting me like literally down to my bum. So this is how far down the wig is hitting me. I'm 5'5", so when I stretch it, this is how far down it hits me. It hits me down at my hips. For reference, so you guys know, this is where it's hitting me. It's not too long and it's not too short. First impressions, this unit gets a 9 out of 10 for me. And I say 9 out of 10 because I don't know how it's gonna hold up when I go outside, you know, the environment and stuff. So I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because straight out of the packet, literally, look at this. Look at this, you guys. I did not have to do much to the hair. I literally just applied my NARS foundation to the lace and you guys see how it melted. Even before I had applied the lace spray, not lace spray, even before I had applied the foundation to the lace, you guys saw how it looked. So that's why I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. And I would highly recommend this unit. If it holds up like the one that I previously wore, then I would definitely recommend this unit because I wore the other one out in Jamaica and the hair held up like it was a human hair wig. Like literally it wasn't tangling, nothing. And I went in the seawater with it. I went in the ocean. I was in the hot climate with that wig and it just held up like it was human hair wig. So I would definitely recommend it. So if this one holds up like that, I'm gonna be so happy, and I guess I'm not gonna need the human hair wig anymore because this is doing its thing. And I'm definitely gonna be purchasing another one of these units, probably try it on another color. And if I didn't mention, this is in the color 1. Let me double check. Yeah, it's in the color 1, so the jet black color. That's the color that this one is. And yeah, you guys, I feel like there's nothing much for me to say except for I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.